Hey everyone, in this video tutorial we will guide you on how to change the country on the Play Store. Let's get started. First, open your Google Play Store. Once it's open, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Next, select Payments and Subscriptions, then choose Payment Methods. In the Payment Methods section, scroll down and click on More Payment Settings. This will open a tab in your web browser with your Google Payment settings. In the New tab, tap the three lines in the top left corner, then select Settings. Scroll down until you find the Country or Region section. Click on the pencil icon, then choose Create New Profile and hit Continue. Now, you'll be able to select a new country. For this example, I'll choose the United States. After selecting the United States, hit Continue. Then, just enter your name and new address. And that's it. By using this method, you can change the country on the Play Store. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.